Hi, I'm Jay, and today I'm going to talk about how to do maintenance on a Trion CB100 fan-powered humidifier. Be sure to turn the power off before performing any maintenance. Before performing this service, it is necessary to shut off the water. Find the saddle valve, turn it clockwise until it stops. Okay, first thing we need to do is remove this access door. Put the screw on the side. All right, now there's another screw right here that we need to remove. And we'll put that screw on the side. All right. Right now there's a cord right here that is attached to the fan motor inside, so we need to unplug that. There we are. All right, now it will just hinge off from the top. So there are clips on the top. You just pull it towards you and then raise it up in the air and set it on the side. All right, if you have a different model of the fan-powered humidifier, an older generation or a newer generation than this particular one, the access to the panel might be slightly different. You may not have to remove a couple of screws or anything, but essentially it's the same. You're removing the top cover that has the fan motor inside of it. This particular one, again, happened to have a couple of screws and this plug to disconnect. All right, now that we have the cover off, let's take a look. So we have a humidifier filter here, which we're going to replace. We have a little frame here at the top, and we have the drain pan down at the bottom. So let's move this section here. So we're going to throw this away. We're going to wash this off. And then here we have our drain pan. This just gets washed off. All right, now we're going to put it all back together. So drain pan first. All right, and a new humidifier filter and the frame section at the top. We're going to put that back in here. Again, very important, spray mark at the top. This frame slides in little tracks on the left and the right. All right, so this frame here, there's a little track here and a track there that slides into, and it clips in up here to stop it from blowing back out. So now we have put it all back together. We have a brand new pad. We have washed this top frame section and the drain pan, and now we're ready to put the cover back on. Right? Those clips here, they go into sockets on the top of it. There we go. Now we need to put the screw back in. All right, now that we have the screw in there, we can plug it back in. All right, so now the fan's plugged back in, and we can flip this cover back up and insert that screw. And that's it. Now all we have to do is turn on the furnace, turn on the humidifier, and test it. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.